Hey YouTube, welcome back to the shop. I know it's been a while. I'm hoping 2026 to start posting a few more videos. Today in the shop we got a little bit of welding, a little bit of machining, and should be a good video. So what we're doing, customer brought this in. This is a spacer designed to hold a transducer. So this transducer goes on the side of a stamping press, and it tells the press's position in order for the transfer to cycle. So as you can see, that's not really going to go on there. It's a little too big for the hole that's in the plate. So what we're going to do, they also want the overall height changed. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this off, weld a new plate on it, and then we're going to chuck this in the lathe. We'll face the new plate in the lathe, bore the hole big enough for the transducer and its coupling to slide through. And then we got to drill some M4 clearance holes that line up with these so that this can be bolted onto the plate. So we'll start off, we'll get it set up in the saw, we'll get that cut off, we'll get the new plate cut for the top, get that welded on, and then we'll get over to the lathe and we'll get the machining done. Alright, so what you just watched me do, so I set this up in the saw. Had a little bit of issue at first, but we got it all figured out. Got that cut in the saw. Got the plate cut for the other side. Squared everything up and then welded it. So I'm going to let this cool off for a couple minutes. I'll get the lathe set up. Once this is all set up, we're going to go ahead and face the other side and then drill and bore a hole that fits the transducer. Alright, so that's kind of a chance to cool off now. I've got it set up in the lathe here. So I was able to grab it from that inside bore on my 3-jaw, and that should keep everything kind of centered. This face is tight up against the back of the jaws. I'll go ahead and face this down to my 3-inch dimension, and then we'll drill, center drill and drill that, and then bore it out just big enough to clear the coupling on that transducer. All right, we're all wrapped up on the lathe. We got this all machined down. A little chamfer on the ends. Bored the hole so that the coupling can slip through there. So I got a little bit of layout die on there. I'm going to try to lay out these 3 bolt holes. The bigger set will go for the, I think they're M4. So we'll get a clearance hole drilled. We'll lay it out and we'll get a clearance hole drilled for those M4 holes so that that can bolt on like that. And then that'll be just about it. We'll put it in the sandblaster real quick, splash a little bit of paint on there, and let the customer know it's done. Alright, YouTube, that's a wrap. Show you guys how we made out. There it all is. I know it's kind of hard to see because of the tape, but you can see after I was done on the Bridgeport. Got all the holes done, sandblasted it real quick, splash quick coat of paint on it. That way there, the customers can just put it right on when they get it. They don't have anything else to do. They just take it out of the box, bolt the encoder on, and they'll be done with it. I want to thank you guys for tuning in tonight. And if you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Oh, also, there's the Bronco behind me. It's a lot has changed in the last, I don't know, 8-9 months since I posted my last video. Putting the body together has been a bit of a project. So instead of trying to film it, because I don't think it's going to make very good content because it was hard and I'm learning as I'm going. Once it's assembled, I'm going to do a tips and tricks video, all the things that I found, all the stuff that hopefully make your life easier. So subscribe and keep an eye out for that video. Should be coming out soon. See ya.